Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's prep our ingredients for this amazing restaurant-style salsa. We'll need to finely chop 1/4 cup of red onion. Aim for pieces about the size of a pea. Then mince 2 cloves of garlic until they're really fine. Quarter and slice 1 whole jalapeno. Remove the seeds if you want it milder. And rough chop 1/2 cup of cilantro. Don't worry too much about being super precise with the cilantro, since it's all going in the processor. Now, add your chopped 1/4 cup red onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, sliced jalapeno, and 1/2 cup cilantro to your food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender, but you'll want to pulse it carefully to maintain some texture. Make sure the lid is secured tightly. We don't want any salsa explosions. By the way, since many of you ask about this blender that I use, after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Here's where the real flavor comes in. Add your 28 oz can of whole tomatoes and 10 oz can of diced tomatoes and green chilies. Then sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon each of sugar, salt, and ground cumin. These might seem like small amounts, but trust me, they make a huge difference in balancing the flavors. The sugar especially helps counter any acidity from the tomatoes. Time to pulse. This is where you control the texture of your salsa. Press the pulse button in short bursts until you reach your desired consistency. You'll want to see small chunks of vegetables still visible. About 5 to 7 pulses usually does the trick. The key is to stop when it looks like restaurant-style salsa, not tomato sauce. Now squeeze in the juice from half a lime. This brightens up all the flavors and adds that fresh kick. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Remember, you can always add more salt or lime juice, but you can't take it away, so start conservatively. The final step is crucial for the best flavor. Pop your salsa in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This resting time lets all those flavors mingle and develop. You'll know it's ready when you take a taste, and the flavors are more balanced and mellowed compared to when you first made it. The salsa will keep in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week, but I doubt it'll last that long. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.